Punta na kaming metro, guys. Dito lang siya, sa may malapit sa National Museum. And doon tayo pasok. Makulimlim, guys.
Mas mainit pa ngayon kaya nakapit.
Oo, no? May hangin siya, pero medyo mainit sa feeling. May helicopter na naman.
Going down. Mataas na tagging na
Dito mag-open. Four. Balance is 4. Love.
Why?
Yung buhok.
What?
Yung buhok ko.
Oh. Dami signal niya. 5G yan. Dami antena eh.
Kawinis yung buhok ko.
Saan tayo pababa sa Mr. Tayo sa Kuwapit din.
Pwede pala dito eh. Okay lang yan. Baba tayo ng... Ito. Tapos lipat. Okay. Good. Kakababa lang namin ng ano. Well, actually, nandito pa kami sa loob ng metro. Pero kaka-exit lang namin. And we're going to Katara Cultural Village na. Wow. Ako, may inggit si Kaylong sa'yo. Dito kami, oh.
May nakikay.
Paglabas namin, dito na kami sa Galleries Lafayette. KK, may transformer dito.
Oo.
Tama ba? Transformer to, di ba?
Magaya ka na kay mami. Sabi ka na agad.
Si, ano nga to? Bumblebee. Wait, picture muna daw kami. Picture daw siya dun kay Bumblebee.
Doon na.
Picturean lang namin to and then diretso na kaming Cultural Village. Medyo sumisilip-silip yung araw. So, medyo magandang mag-picture.
Picture tayo doon. Kasi wala pang show. Gabi pa.
Okay lang.
Picture na lang.
Gusto ko lang mag-picture. Ang maganda dun sa...
Everyone is watching, but I still feel so alone, alone. And I've been waiting on a miracle, but by the time it comes, I'll probably be stoned or on my phone. Oh no, now I'm sure that you have got the perfect positive quote to say, but I don't want your optimism today. I just wanna complain. It takes a whole damn hour to afford 2 gallons, and I'm not doing enough. Another day, another challenge. I woke up one day and the world was cold. Feel like I'm way too young to feel this old. I got a hole in my heart that keeps getting bigger, so I'll try to fill it up by rooting in my liver. I'm a poster child, millennial. Feel like I'm way too young to feel this old. Oh, 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 yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 yeah. Everyone's invited to this pity party in my head, my head. And I'll cry if I want to, and I want to, but nobody's listening. So I'll just hide away instead. Now I'm sure that you have got the perfect positive thing to say, but I don't want your optimism today. I just wanna complain. It takes a whole damn hour to afford 2 gallons, and I'm not doing enough. Another day, another challenge. I woke up one day and the world world was cold. Felt like I'm way too young to feel this soul. I got a hole in my heart that keeps getting bigger, so I'll try to fill it up. I root one in my liver, keep on trying to do.
Tapos na kami doon sa may parang, ano bang tawag doon, lab? Yung may stage. Hindi ko alam.
Theater. Meron pa dito doon. Yung may parang trumpet.
No na. Okay na ako dun. Gusto ko lang picturean din tong ano. Yan o. Kita niyo ba? Yan. Smoke. Beta ako sa loob.
My parents don't get it.
Yan ang
They
background niya.
don't
Pag
give me
pinicture na.
enough credit. My friends, I'm broken. I've tried and I
Yan, yan,
can't
yan, yan.
stop
Tong damo, tong damo.
smoking. My fears
Sige pa, sige pa, sige pa.
and my learning curve is slow. And I got no friends, and I'm broken. It takes a whole damn hour to afford 2 gallons, and I'm not doing enough. Another day, another challenge. I woke up one day and the world was cold. Feel like I'm way too young to feel this old. I got a hole in my heart that keeps getting bigger, so I'll try to fill it up. I root one in my liver. I'm a poster child millennial. Feel like I'm way too young to feel this old.
Ito yung pasok na lang tayo sa loob. Di ba kanina pag ano natin, gallery na.
Oo.
Tapos may mga sign na siguro yan.
Alright.
Kasi ano na siya, upang
Okay.
pero din sa baba.
Okay. Para kami nasa Europe ulit. May mini Europe ang vibes dito.
Tawid ka, yan yung connector.
Pa? Ito yung inikot ko eh.
Yes, yan yung inikot mo. You're right.
Meron pala dito.
Ganda man ang mister sa connector.
Yan o. Inikot ko pa nung isang araw eh. Ba't ako hindi nagtaka?
Yun lang. Oh, ay may tatak ng city center eh. Ay di, lika. Bango.
Guys. Alam mo. Nasa DECC na. Kailangan babili natin yung Starbucks na.
Tingnan natin.
Ito na yung last chance na natin to. Ito. Left?
Left.
Hanip ang dali.
Hanip.
Ito, hindi na tayo. Kaya yan, sa ikot.
Hanip.
Jollibee pa rin talaga. Is this mine?
Di pala niya tinanong kung spicy yung chicken, oh.
Oo.
Nung ulan na lang siya.
Sabi niya, sige, original. Hindi pagod na yun sa ate. Kaya mo na.
Daming order eh.
Mm.
Isang katutak yung nagja-Jollibee pag
Kahit
weekend.
ako din eh. May makakalimutan ka na talagang tanungin. Anyway, Jollibee guys. Wow. Sa akin, spag chicken. And then sa kanya, spag chicken rice. Kain.
Why?
Wala.
Parang may pang-judge siya.
Ha? Wala.
Parang may judgment. na
Wala.
kasama yun, ah. Fit na fit, oh. Parang meant to be na ganun dapat ang order.
Mhm. Okay, kain tayo. Ang ingay, nandito kami sa tabi ng Fun City.
Ayos din, ganyan itsura mamaya. Ayos na din, basta dumilaw.
Yeah. Okay, malapit na kami guys. Ito na yun, yung museum. Tapos mamaya, kapag pa-sunset na, may magandang part dun na pwedeng mag-picture. Tapos yan ang background. Sorry, maingay. Kita nyo? Maganda yan kapag gabi. Iba-ibang kulay ng mga buildings.
You're a masterpiece. My clothes look real good on your t-shirt with the rainbow stripe. And our time is a luxury. Oh, so sweet your company. Let's get each other up to speed. I can see the vista of your hills, and a silhouette up on the still. Dolly brush stroke with the canvas. Gotta let the paint dry. Bourbon make us feel fine. Body heat make the skin cry. Baby, babe, it's a good night when we wake up still on the bedside. Da 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 da. Pillow talks a symphony. Souls connect so physically. Yeah. Da 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 da. Cones will shine like laser beams. Wanna feel your energy. Yeah. I'm hearing you songs. Your voice leading the choir to sing. If you don't mind me asking to be heard, my heart beats with yours, so you can take me on. I'm falling deep, it won't take long. So breathe the energy with a bit of Hennessy. We want skies and autumn leaves. Take all the chances that we need. I've been driving too long, gets out of control. If only we knew how to close. I promise I'll hold your hand till it gets old and all the lights come to a close. Da 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 da. Pillow talks a symphony. Souls connect so physically. Yeah. Da 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 da. Cones will shine like laser beams. Wanna feel your energy. Yeah. Got me singing up the block like ooh la la. Got me feeling unstuck like oh na na, oh na na na. Ooh la la, be my lady. Oh na na, reading all the signs. Ooh la la, I hear your lullaby. Oh na na, and all these butterflies won't give up 'cause you're the one, the one. Pillows are so symphony. You and I belong together, baby.
Sus, napakadami naman pala.
Ganda naman. Ito yun. Ito yung sa video. Yung may tubig.
Bullshit na yan. Sayang ang airport.
Ano pa yun?
Pakaharap tayo doon.
Ay, baka hindi pa kita yung sunset sana kanina.
Hindi.
Hindi din.
Hindi. City view siya. Nasa kaliwa.
Baka tubig na niya.
O ayan, lahat ng post agad sa mong gawin.
Yun lang, madilim.
Madilim dito. It's okay. Here.
Yung cellphone ko ah.
Ayan, no? Lahat. Nakatayo muna. 1, 2. Bakit?
Cones will shine like laser beams. Wanna feel your energy, yeah. Got me singing up the block like ooh la la. Got me feeling all stuck like oh na na, oh na na na. Ooh la la, be my lady. Oh na na, reading all the signs. Ooh la la, I hear your lullaby. Oh na na, and all these butterflies won't give up 'cause you're the one, the one.
Okay. What's the thing? Check. Second breathing.
Yun, yung kagagaling lang dito na babae yung hulog. Nag-night moon. Ito maganda yung ganyan. Ito yung iba, no? Nag-blue.
Edit mo na lang yung iba.
Got me singing up the block like ooh la la. Got me feeling all stuck like oh na. Got me singing up the block like ooh la la, like ooh la la.
Ay, tapos na kami sa museum. Uwi na kami, pero dito sa baba, merong ano, parang
Merong shoppingan. So anong tinatawag? Mrs.
kulang pa tayo ng
Shopping equals.
window shopping lang naman.
I know.
Kulang nakita nga ng benta nila. And then after that, uwi na kami. Ay, hindi, daan muna pala kami ng...
Yan yun, yung nasa National Museum. Huwag kang papakita, boy. Matutusok ka ng karayom, mailagay ka sa pader. Bahala ka.
Sabi niya, tawid lang naman ako.
Dadaan-daan ka dito. Sa museum ka pa, para kang manok na dumaan sa KFC.
Bago kami pumunta ng hotel, punta muna kami ng... yung binilhan namin kahapon ng parang tortilla wrap. Yun na lang yung dinner namin. We're good. May mga juice kami sa bahay. Ay, sa hotel.
Ubusin, chichirya.
Yes. And
Chocolate.
tomorrow, we fly. Fly to Baguio. Okay. Okay. Wala na. Yun lang. May daan pa dito? Balik tayo doon. Alright. Okay, let's go. Alright, nantay na lang namin yung order namin. And then we're gonna go. Balik na tayo ng hotel. Thank you. Ay, yung juice natin, nasa maleta pa. Maya na.
Yung may nag-get?
Hi guys, nandito na kami sa hotel. We're back. Tama na yung oras, no? 7:09. Dito na kami sa hotel. Maga kami kasi bukas na yung flight namin and maga kami aalis. So, kailangan namin magpahinga. And wala na rin naman kami pupuntahan. Parang yung mga iconic places na napuntahan na namin. Ay, actually, meron pang iba pero hindi na namin pinuntahan. Yung ano kanina, yung sa may, ano nga yun, Katara Village. Maganda dun. Gustuhan ko siya. And then, yung sa museum, okay din. Maganda rin siya. Ang dami namin pictures. Kunin lang niya yung mga juice namin. And then, ito yung binili natin sa... Ay, kalimutan ko yung pangalan nitong shop. Ka-Arabic kasi siya. Shark ata? Oh, sakto. Mainit-init pa. Tig-isa lang kami na chicken tortilla wrap. Thank you. And then, ito yung mga juice from breakfast. Yan. Ito ay orange juice. And then, yung kahapon, di namin nainom. Pero kanina, ininom ko yung isa. Lemon and mint. Opo ka dito. Ang kulit. Sayo. Okay, diyan ka. Mga makukulit dyan. Hindi nyo, nangangatin na yung leg ko.
Pasok. Naniwala ka na sa akin.
Okay, kain tayo guys. Ang sarap-sarap.
Everything's feeling brand new. Well, I read that the French always say what's on their mind, leaving lipstick stains on top glasses of wine. Practically invented, being nonchalant for fun. They tear apart old tales like afternoon croissants, strolling over bridges that were built in Renaissance. Isn't that what every Roman's loving 20-something woman wants? Midnight in Paris, I've always heard there's magic in the air as you're watching people dance by sand. Midnight in Paris, oh what a feeling. Steps on cobblestones, thinking this must be La Vie en Rose. Maybe I'll get a place that's right across the Notre Dame. The roof will be leaking, but I'll be as happy as they come. Well, I read that the French always say what's on their mind, leaving lipstick stains on tall glasses of wine. Practically invented, being nonchalant for fun. They tear apart Voltaire just like afternoon croissants, strolling over bridges that were built in Renaissance. Isn't that what every Roman's loving 20-something woman wants? Midnight in I've always heard there's magic in the air as you're watching people dance by sand. Midnight in Paris, oh what a feeling. Steps on cobblestones, thinking this must be La Vie en Rose. Time check. Oras na natin ay 9:39 na. Pasensya na kayo sa itsura ko. Kahiga na. So, natapos na namin yung sa luggage. Hindi pa namin siya close kasi yung mga skincare, mga gagamitin pa bukas. Pero most ng mga gamit namin is andun na. So, anyway, kuklose ko lang tong vlog na to guys. Medyo late na. Pero maaga kaming gigising bukas kasi target namin mga 7. Alis na kami dito kasi yung flight namin 10:50. So, at least mga 9 andun na kami sa airport. Sabi Ned, mag-alarm kami mga 5 or 5:30. Mag-coffee saglit kasi meron pa kami mga coffee dito. And then may biscuit pa. Tapos ligo, bihis, and then alis na. Para lang merong konting laman yung tiyan namin. Yan, hindi ko alam kung kakain pa kami kasi saglit lang naman yung biyahe. 1 oras lang naman. Qatar to Abu Dhabi. Mabilis lang siya. So, hindi ko alam kung kakain pa kami sa airport bukas. Anyway, close ko na tong vlog na to guys. Good night. See you tomorrow. Uwi na tayo bukas guys. Balik na lang Abu Dhabi. Bye-bye.